we guide you through how to fix PayPal money on hold. So first, log into your PayPal account and check the transaction details to confirm the payment is currently on hold. In many cases, PayPal places funds on hold for new sellers, unusual transactions, or orders that still need to be completed. If you sold a product, open the transaction and update the order status by adding tracking information and marking the item as shipped. Once the buyer receives the package and tracking shows delivery, PayPal may release the funds sooner. If you're providing a service, mark the order as completed and ask the buyer to confirm receipt if the option is available. You should also maintain good account activity by responding to disputes quickly, avoiding refunds when possible, and keeping your account information verified and up to date. In most cases, PayPal automatically release held funds within 21 days if there are no issues with the transaction.